welcome back to Girlish Girls Life. I am Shubhra. In today's video, I will share my purple haul, the makeup and the skincare product every girl should have. Right now, I have these two huge boxes with me. So let's start one by one. Here you can see all the products are packed. So I will open it and will show you. मैं इसे जल्दी जल्दी हटा देती हूँ पहले सारे प्रोडक्ट्स से. I really like this bag. इसे मैं फ्री टाइम में बैठ के फोड़ूंगी. The first one is Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick. This is in the shade Buff Nude number 05. You can see this lipstick is really highly pigmented and will give you a creamy matte finish. The MRP of this is $299, but you will get it for ₹254 as per the ongoing sale on Purple. There's always a discount or sale going on Purple. The second one, we have Purple Ultra HD Matte Mini Liquid Lipstick, pink. Its shade is My First Hug. Let me show you this lipstick. As you can see the size, this is really mini. You can shade this is My First Hug. It's a bit glittery and ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. This is also transfer proof. I will provide you the MRP here and the sale price here, so आप compare कर सकते हैं मुझे कितना discount मिला है. Now we have Maybelline New York Creamy Matte Finish Lipstick. It's a pack of 2. The shade is Nude Nuisance and the Touch of Spice. You can see the shade, guys. This really gives a creamy finish. The other one, now we have Maybelline New York Creamy Matte Lipstick. Its shade is Mesmerizing Magenta. It's also a very pretty shade. Now we have Maybelline New York Creamy Matte Finish Lipstick. It's in the shade Burgundy Blush. This I got for free as I have ordered. This is the shade I have done it here. As I have ordered the products of Maybelline more than ₹799, so this I got for free. Now I have Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation. It's in the shade 115 Ivory. I love Maybelline foundations. पहले भी मैं यही यूज करती थी and I think Maybelline foundations are one of the best foundations I have used. Now I have Naive Liquid Eyeliner. It's matte black. You can see here. Its shade is really good. I liked it. It's a decent eyeliner. Then we have Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. It's black. Honestly, it's amazing. It says it's waterproof and will give you nice curled up lashes. Then we have Naive Brightening Primer. This is for all skin type. It is also cruelty free. It offers oil free, smoothing, water resistant, etc. Then we have Naive Foundation Concealer Counter Color Corrector Sticks. I have bought it in the shade Golden Grander Than Central. The number is 3. You can see here how it is. Oh, this is packed inside also. You can see the shade here. It's in this shade. It's really matching. Wait a minute, I will show you here. It is also cruelty free. Then we have Maybelline New York Fit Me Compact. It's also in the shade Natural Ivory. Let me show you guys. This contains SPF 28, offers 12 are fresh and fair skin. Now we will see the skincare products I have bought. The first one is Nivea Soft Lightening and Moisturizing Cream. It contains jojoba and jojoba extracts and vitamin E. Then I have Nivea Whitening Sensitive Roll-On Deodorant. Actually, I like roll-on deodorants. That's why I bought it. Then I have bought 2 under-eye serum, one from Naive and one from Good Vibes. This is Naive Skin Freedent Under-Eye Serum with Hyaluronic Acid for smoothing puffy eyes. This is cruelty-free, mineral-free, paraben-free and sulfate-free. You can see it gives the dropper and the serum here. This is the bottle. Then we have Good Vibes Under Eye Serum, Cucumber and Lemon. This is also cruelty free and concerned with dark circles and inflamed skin tones, etc. Like, see, this is the serum. Now we have Good Vibes Pomegranate Brightening Face Scrub. This is also paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. Good Vibes is an Indian originated brand and all the products of Good Vibes are cruelty free. Now we have Good Vibes Moisturizing Body Lotion. It's in rose fragrance. It contains vitamin E, rose oil, etc. We also have Good Vibes Aloe Vera Gel. We also have Good Vibes Skin Whitening Face Mask. It's rose hip. It helps in dullness, scars and wrinkles. Then we have Good Vibes Grape Seed plus Orange Softening plus Brightening Night Cream. Of course, as I have already said, Good Vibes products are cruelty free and it's paraben free. Let me show you this. This is the box. It is concerned with uneven skin tone, roughness, dullness and helps in moisturizing and softening. Then we have Alps Goodness Green Tea Toner. It is chemical free, cruelty free, alcohol free and green tea is also good for your skin. It has antioxidant properties and it helps in clearing the pores. Then we have Naive Lip Pouting on Broadway Lip Balm. It's in the caramel toffee flavor. Let me open it. You can see it. ऐसे ठंड आ चुके हैं तो हम सबको ही लिप बाम की जरूरत पड़ेगी. It smells really like toffee. I really like the smell. I think it's good. Like you can see, we have this much in it. It's good. It offers sun protection also. This is also paraben and cruelty free. Naive is the company that is originated in India. I like Indian products. I really recommend Indian products. Like these are the brand coming up and these are Indian products, so we should buy them. Then we have Lotus Herbals Safe Sun Anti-Tan Body Lotion. It has SPF 25 and aloe vera extracts. It helps in day-long moisturizing, prevents from skin darkening and other form of UV damage, and improves the skin tone. This is the last product we have, but of course not the least. It is one of the most important skincare products that everyone should have. That is Lotus Professional Phyto RX Whitening and Brightening Cream. It contains SPF 25. It has no artificial fragrance and no preservatives. It helps in blemishes, dark spots, pigmentations, etc. Let me show you. This is the box of the cream. It has a good packaging. Bit creamy. See guys, this is the cream. Guys, let me tell you, Lotus Herbals is also Indian originated company. It's the leading natural cosmetic company. Okay everyone, this is all I have to share in today's video. I hope you all liked the video. So please give us a thumbs up and do like and subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.